Double-hung window installation in Kendall, Florida, is a specialized service that requires expertise and precision. Our team of double-hung windows Kendall experts in Kendall, Florida is dedicated to providing top-notch window installation services. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom window solutions, we have the skills and experience to meet your needs. Our window installation experts in Kendall, Florida ensure that every double-hung windows Kendall installation is performed with the utmost care and attention to detail, guaranteeing long-lasting performance and satisfaction. Window installation services in Kendall are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Our professional window services in Kendall, Florida offer comprehensive window installation solutions, including double-hung windows Kendall glass replacement, window frame installation, and window hardware replacement. We understand the importance of timely and efficient window installation services, which is why our team is committed to delivering high-quality results that restore your windows to their optimal condition. Energy-efficient double-hung windows Kendall are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our window service company in Kendall specializes in the installation of double-hung windows Kendall that help regulate indoor temperatures and minimize energy consumption. By choosing our energy-efficient double-hung windows Kendall services, you can enjoy a more comfortable living environment while also contributing to environmental sustainability. Window replacement services Kendall, Florida are designed to enhance the appearance and functionality of your home. Our window replacement Kendall team offers a wide range of options, including double-hung window replacement Kendall and custom window solutions Kendall. We work closely with our clients to ensure that their double-hung windows Kendall replacement needs are met with precision and care, resulting in a seamless and aesthetically pleasing upgrade to their home. Custom double-hung windows Kendall solutions in Kendall provide homeowners with the opportunity to personalize their window designs. Our residential window services Kendall, Florida offer a variety of custom window options, allowing you to choose the perfect style, material, and finish for your home. Whether you're looking for unique shapes or specific features, our custom double-hung windows Kendall team is here to bring your vision to life. Residential window services in Kendall, Florida encompass a wide range of offerings, from window maintenance to window installation. Our window maintenance services in Kendall are designed to keep your double-hung windows Kendall in top condition, ensuring they function properly and look great. Regular window maintenance Kendall services can prevent costly installations and extend the lifespan of your double-hung windows Kendall, making them a worthwhile investment for any homeowner. Double-hung window installation in Kendall, Florida, is a specialized service that requires expertise and precision. Our team of double-hung window experts Kendall, Florida is dedicated to providing top-notch window installation services. With years of experience, we ensure that every double-hung windows Kendall installation in Kendall, Florida is executed flawlessly, enhancing the aesthetic and functional value of your home. Window installation services in Kendall are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Whether you need double-hung window frame installation Kendall or window glass replacement Kendall, our professional window services Kendall, Florida are here to help. We offer comprehensive double-hung Windows Kendall installation services in Kendall to address any issues, ensuring your windows are in perfect condition. Energy-efficient double-hung Windows Kendall are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our energy-efficient double-hung Windows Kendall are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. By choosing energy-efficient double-hung Windows Kendall, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Window replacement services Kendall, Florida are crucial for homes with outdated or damaged windows. Our window replacement Kendall services offer a wide range of options, including custom double-hung Windows Kendall solutions to meet your specific needs. With our window replacement services Kendall, Florida, you can enhance your home's curb appeal and improve its energy efficiency. Custom double-hung Windows Kendall are perfect for homeowners seeking unique and personalized window designs. Our custom double-hung Windows Kendall solutions in Kendall offer a variety of styles and materials to choose from, ensuring your windows reflect your personal taste and complement your home's architecture. Trust our window service company Kendall to deliver exceptional custom double-hung Windows Kendall solutions. Residential window services Kendall, Florida encompass a wide range of offerings, from installation to maintenance. Our residential double-hung Windows Kendall services in Kendall, Florida are designed to meet the needs of homeowners, providing quality double-hung Windows Kendall installation and reliable window maintenance services in Kendall. We are committed to delivering the best residential window services Kendall, Florida has to offer. Window maintenance services in Kendall are vital for prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular double-hung Windows Kendall maintenance can prevent costly installations and ensure your windows function optimally. Our window maintenance services in Kendall include cleaning, sealing, and inspecting your double-hung Windows Kendall to keep them in top condition. Double-hung window installation Kendall, Florida is a specialized service that addresses common issues with double-hung Windows Kendall. Our double-hung window installation Kendall, Florida experts are skilled in diagnosing and fixing problems such as sash misalignment and hardware malfunctions. Trust our double-hung Windows Kendall installation services to restore your windows to their original condition.